Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 18th January 2022 in the international market on account of Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. US markets were closed. US 10-year last traded at 178 and 30-year at 212 on Friday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $87.17 per barrel. Yes, you heard it right. Crude is now at $87.17. Short-term range for crude is 84 to 88. Crude is already making move towards $90 per barrel. As you know, Knight Research team expects crude average rate for calendar year 2022 at $90 to $95 per barrel. In the currency market, dollar index is at $95.14. DXY's today's range is 94.90 to 95.23. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 634. USD INR with a low of 74.36 closed at 74.24. Support at 74.10 and resistance at 74.45 does exist. USD INR is expected to trade range bound and higher crude oil will weigh, making rupee weaker. In the domestic market, GSEC continued their slide because PDs rushed to offload the new GS 2654 GS 2032 benchmark, which was devolved in auction. Buyers were reluctant as RBI is also selling in the secondary heavily. RBI in the last 9 successive weeks have sold roughly 21,000 crore worth of bonds. Crude is now at $87 per barrel, which is bringing fresh concerns for India as budget is approaching. 563 2026 closed at 593 versus 588. Yields were up by 5 basis points in a 5-year 10-year. 610 2031 closed at 664 versus 658, 6 basis points up. 667 2035 closed at 708 versus 702, 6 basis points up. There was a bloodbath movement in the market yesterday. Trading strategy for today: a lot of stop losses were triggered once the market crossed 660. 610 2031 did not cross 665 at all, but given the current fear in the market, traders are not willing to buy. As there is a fear in the GSEC market and today's SDL auction size is roughly 20,000 crore, do participate in SDL auctions today. Only do tail bidding for HTM holdings only. If you really want to buy the stock in HTM, non-competitive bidding is more beneficial as cutoffs will be wild today. Night's SDL cutoffs will be out by 10:30 am. Strategic call: on a timely basis, we had communicated to exit 574 2026 and now it is back to 603. Traders would have booked profits roughly up to 6 basis points or 24 paisa on Friday itself. Yields look attractive, but given uncertainty, we will wait for a day or two to make another bold strategic buy. Knight Research team prefers a 5-year paper in this scenario as losses are limited and they offer a good trading opportunity and exits will be available in 2 years anyway. Trading range for 610 2031 660 to 665. The support at 665 was not breached yesterday, but it will be tested today. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.